Good morning, everybody, and good evening, everybody. So, today we are going to look for our resume preparation session. So, in this resume preparation session, we are going to look for how we are going to create a tailored resume. Okay, and we are also going to understand about the job description. Okay, relevant skills and experiences, how we are going to identify what are the effective keyword which is going to be useful for our resume, and we are going to also look for customized layout of our resume and how we are going to prepare a cover letter. Okay. So why the tailor resume we are needed? Okay. It will going to enhance the visibility or towards the hiring manager of our particular resume. Okay. So whatever the resume we are going to build, it's going to be highlight how well our skills and experiences are going to be aligned with the job or a job description for you or for which you are applying. Okay, so when you're going to prepare your resume according to the job description, it will going to increase the chances of get a call for an interview. Okay, yeah. If you're going to make your tailor resume, it will also going to help you to be a critical standing out in this competitive market. So how we are going to understand the job description? You have to identify what are the priority skills and skills from the particular job description. You are going to identify the focus of the essential qualification. You also have to go for the specific language and terms for a specific job description. All those things you have to look for. Okay, so then predict and prepare the potential interview question also. Whenever you're going to look for a particular job description, you will able to understand what kind of job, what a kind of question they were going to ask. Okay, then you have to identify your relevant skills and experiences. Okay, whatever the things they have given in your job description. Okay, where you are going to highlight your achievements or demonstrate the qualification. Okay, you're going to prioritize your content, highlight the most relevant experience first, and then rest of the experiences. Okay, you have to update your resume regularly or new skills and achievement which you are going to get. You have to update it regularly. Okay, then the thing is that we have to identify the relevant keyword. Okay, what are the effective keywords we have to find out? We have to find out the exact keyword which going to be required for the skills and technologies like Apache, SQL, machine learning, okay, NLP, classification, regression. These are the keywords which is going to be essential for your particular job description or if you are building a resume for a data science people. Then, whatever keywords you are using, you have to incorporate those keywords in your job description naturally. It should not be look like you are putting those words like it's a random thing you are putting in. Okay, so if you are going to put a, any keyword in your resume, you have to first think if it is a fitting with the sentences or not. If not, you have to make or change the sentences which will fit that keyword into your resume. Okay, so and also you have to maintain the natural flow of your resume because the ATS software, there is a software called ATS software through which first level of shortlisting of your resume goes to the ATS software. It is a tool through which it will going to shortlist the resume which are according to a particular job description. Okay, then it will go to the human reviewer or HR people. Okay. Then after making your resume, you have to customize your resume. Okay. You have to choose the chronological order. You can change functional order or whatever. Okay. Then you have to look for the enhance the readability. Okay. So use clean layout and static typography to enhance the readability. Okay. Position the critical information prominently for strategic placement. Okay, and incorporate a subtle graphics and color accent. Okay, don't use some flashy kind of color which will going to poke in the eyes of a reviewer. So use subtle graphics and colors so it will look nice and good. Okay, then the personal touch you can give the address, the letter to a specific. Okay, when now after making a resume, you have to make your tailor a cover letter. So in cover letter, you are going to talk about your personal things, okay, for a specific person, why it is important. You are going to express your interest, why this in job is excited you, and what are the opportunities which is aligned with your objective. You can also experience align the goals and experiences you have gone through in past and which can help in this coming job. That also you can do. Then the you can conclude with all with a call to action, okay? And you are going to describe whatever the things you have mentioned in above paragraph. You can conclude those things in the last paragraph, the conclusion, okay? Then the thing is, huh, after making your resume and your cover letter, please make sure all those documents are free from errors. There should be no spelling mistake. There should be no data kind of mistake like your name, your email ID, your phone number. They should be your proper. There should be no mistake if you got selected and your email is wrong or phone number is wrong. Then it is a no use. Okay, always get the feedback. Okay, always get the feedback from your career advisors or mentors, whatever the things you have prepared. Okay, keep it current. Okay, regularly update your resume as your experiences and skills involve. Okay, engage in the network build and maintain the professional connection. Okay, engage in the network and which is going to make your professional connections. Okay, then there are some kind of famous job portal like Naukri, Shine, Indeed, okay, LinkedIn. These are the famous job portal from where you can apply for the job for the particular job you need it. Okay, then there are some of your famous search you can look for your things in your Google also. You can search for the jobs from here and there also. Then there are some kind of keyword you can use when you are preparing a resume for a data science. Okay, you can use the keyword like A/B testing, time series, regression, classification, clustering, okay, predictive analysis, quantitative analysis, time series analysis, all kind of things you can mention there. Then they were also going to ask some kind of questions. Okay, they were going to ask some kind of how could you have improved your career progress? Okay, what do you worry about most when you're doing working? What they can also ask for some kind of creative example. Okay, and how do you feel about the working in nights and weekends? Are you able to do it? Are you willing to relocate or travel in some other places if needed? All those things you are going to they were going to ask. So, this is the quote. I don't know anything with certainty, but seeing the star makes me dream. So, this is a beautiful quote which I have to tell you because it gives us the motivation that sometimes we are finding the jobs, but sometimes we are finding that we are not getting them. We get demotivated, but we have to keep trying and keep dreaming. So, this is the quote for that. Okay, so you can contact us on this number like 1800 212 654 321. Okay, you can also do the inquiry on this mail. Okay, our office you can also can get the inquiry from our office which is Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. You can and also follow us on this scanning a QR code call for Instagram and YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay, so till then. Thank you all. Bye. We will see you next weekend.